Module 3, TensorFlow Core Learning Algorithms. Today, we will walk through 4 fundamental machine learning algorithms. The algorithms we will focus on include linear regression, classification, clustering, and hidden Markov models. These 4 are core machine learning algorithms we will learn in this module. Before we dive into machine learning algorithms, first we need to understand what is training data and testing data. These datasets are an important part of machine learning basics. The training data is what we feed to the model so that it can develop and learn. Training data is usually a much larger size than the testing data. The testing data is what we use to evaluate the model and see how it's performing. We must use a separate set of data that the model has not been trained before. Can you think of why this is? Well, the point of our model is to be able to make predictions on new data that model have never seen before. If we simply test the model on the data that it has already seen, we cannot measure its accuracy accurately. First on the list of algorithms for training machine learning model is linear regression. It is one of the most basic forms of machine learning and is used to predict numeric values. Linear regression follows a very simple concept. If data points are related linearly, we can generate a line of best fit for these points and use it to predict future values. When the x value increases, so do the y. Line of best fit refers to a line through a scatter plot of data points that best expresses the relationship between those points. We do know old school equation of line. Once we've generated this line for our dataset, we can use its equation to predict future values. We just pass the features of the data point we would like to predict into the equation of the line and use the output as our prediction. Simple, right? In the next module of this series, we will learn about the basics of classification algorithm. See you in the next video. Bye bye.